Hello students of class first. Hope you all are staying healthy and fit at home. Students, today we are going to read our second chapter, My Body. As you know that God has created us and God has given us beautiful body. Children, we need to take care of our body. Body has different parts and there is a particular name for every single parts of the body. Now look here is a picture of boy and different body parts are mentioned here. So read them one by one. First one, head, and head is top of body. And second, ear, we have two ear, nose, neck, and we have two eyes, cheek and mouth, and this is known as neck, shoulder, chest, elbow, and these are fingers, and wrist, hand, knee, toes. And do you know students, the fingers of a foot known as toes and the finger of a hand known as fingers. Legs, we have two legs and foot. So these are different parts of the body. You should learn all the names of the body parts. Each body part has a different function. For example, with the help of eyes, we can see different things, and our mouth help us to speak. Our legs help us to walk and run. Our hand help us to hold, write, clap and drop. And we watch things with the help of our eyes, and our ears help us to hear. At the end of the lesson, here are few points. First one, we have many organs in our body. And second, our body parts help us to work. And third, we have 10 fingers and 10 toes. So here are few exercises related to your chapter My Body. There are only few questions, very simple questions, short question. First one, which body parts help us to see? Answer is eyes help us to see. And second question, write any two functions of hand. Answer is hands help us to hold and write. Your second exercise, tick the right number. I have two eyes. This is right. So tick here. Two eyes. Two ears. Tick here. 10 fingers. Tick here. 4 hands. No. 1 nose. Tick here. 2 legs. Tick here. 3 eyes. No, we don't have 3 eyes. 3 ears. No. 20 fingers. No. 2 hands. Yes. Tick here. 2 noses. No. 4 legs. No. This is your second exercise. Okay. Next exercise. Given below are pictures of some parts of the body. Circle the name of the picture. A. Look here. This is the picture of ear. And here are 3 options. First option, tear, fear, ear. And second one, here is a picture of eye. And option are tie, buy and eye. Third, here is a picture of nose. and option are here nose, rose and toes. And fourth one, here is a picture of hand and option are band, sand and hand. So answer is we have to circle this. Tear wrong, fear wrong, ear right answer. And this one tie by eye. Eye is the correct answer. And nose, rose, toes. Nose is the correct answer. Band, sand, hand. Hand is the correct answer. Next exercise, cross. Cross out the body parts that do not belongs to you. So first one, hand. Hand belongs to our body. And second, paw. Paw don't belongs to our body. Fin. Fin is the body parts of fish. So cross it. Cross it. And wings. Wings are the body parts of bird. And tail. Tail is the body parts of animal. And leg. Leg belongs to you. So here we cross the option paw, fin, wings, tail. Right body parts are hand and legs belongs to you. And next, name your body parts that are in pairs. And right, these body parts are in pair. Eyes, we have two eyes. Ears, we have two ears. Hands, we have two hands. And legs, we have two legs. Now activity time. Look at the picture and label the following parts. So you should label the right body parts. So head, first one head, second ear, mouth, chest, knee, foot, eye, nose, neck and leg. Next activity, stand in front of a mirror. See how your face looks when you cry, smile, laugh, become sad or angry. It's a very funny activity. So draw your expressions on a paper. Sad face, smiling face. Okay. So you should draw your facial expression on a paper. And third activity, match the body parts which help us in different functions. So on the left side, few options are here, and on the right hand side few options are here. So you should match the right body parts. So first one, hand, and what is the function of hand? To write. So match this body parts with the function of write. Okay. Second, recognize these body parts. These are legs, and with the help of legs or foot we can walk, run. So match the second one with the option A. And third one, eyes, and eyes help us to see different things and read the books. So match the third one with the option B. And last one, this is the our body parts, ear, and with the help of ear we can listen different sounds, and we can listen music also. So match the fourth option with option C. So students, if you have any doubt, then you can ask in the comment section. So this is your all about your chapter A Body. Bye bye.